We have made it to the end of the video, and of course, I saved the best for last. This winter, Nikocado Avocado tackles the king crab leg from the depths of the ocean floor in the South Caribbean seas. Here we are. I'll see you at the end of the video. Follow my Instagram at Nikocado Avocado, and if you do, I might just follow you back. Welcome to my eating show. This is Nikocado Avocado 2, my new mukbang channel. Now, this is going to be a relaxing, I'm here to calm you down, I'm here to chill with you, share some stories, and feast on all of this seafood. So, grab some food, we're going to chill together. It is actually 12. This is my midnight binge, if you will. Can I say binge without getting demonetized? Probably not. That's okay. Actually, it's not okay because this stuff is expensive, but anyways, grab some food. We're gonna hang out together. It's snowing outside. I'm drinking all my water. The fireplace is on. The house smells like Christmas cookies because my sister just made some cookies. Now it smells like seafood because I just cooked these. So these have been boiled. These are giant king crab legs from Costco. And these are snow crabs and snow crab claws from the local grocery store. Look at this big one. Ooh. And I warmed up all of this cheese. Guess what, you guys? I finally got a pair of scissors. Real kitchen shears. All right, let's do this. Are we ready? Here we go. I'm gonna cut this in front of you. This is the monster one. Oh, they're so sharp. Wow. Big king crab leg. Let us feast. Wow. Doesn't that look nice? We're gonna make it really cheesy, very thick, and delicious. By the way, this is my first time having cheese on crab legs. I saw a bunch of people do it here on YouTube. Shout out to everyone who did it before me. And I'm gonna do the same. I don't want this to drip, so we're gonna put it inside here. Here we go. Oh no. That is really good. They fly by so fast. So quickly. So quickly. That's how crab legs are. You open them up, you take a bite, and they're gone. Cheers. If you guys are eating with me. When's the last time I've had a snow crab? Probably at a buffet when I went to Las Vegas. So let's open one up. It's been forever since I've had a snow crab leg, excuse me. So let's do this. Here we go. I'm going to use my scissors too, just because I think it's the easiest method. Gets it open really quickly if you use scissors. As long as you don't cut yourself. Wow, today was a really cool day, by the way. I had so much fun. playing in the snow. I had a great time. Thank you to everyone who told me which sheets to get under my last video. I appreciate everyone's comments that left me. I know what I'm going to do in the future. Unfortunately, a lot of the sheets that you guys recommended to me, they only work for king and queen size, not twin XL, so. That's good. I'm telling you, crab legs are the tastiest meat of all meat, in my opinion. I mean, I could eat these by themselves. Honestly, the cheese is good. I don't know why people do it, I'll be honest. Because the crab legs have so much great flavor on their own. And they're so expensive. I feel like the cheese kind of cheapens it. I'm not gonna lie. Just my honest, hey, I tried the trend. I see everyone doing it. I think these are great on their own. With a little butter and garlic sauce or something. Beloved sauce. Not even, that's not necessary. The crab, now beloved sauce is great for the shrimp and the lobster. Things are very subtle in flavor. King crab legs, in my opinion, they don't need anything. Now I know I'm gonna get attacked for that because I'm very ignorant when it comes to seafood. You guys are pros. You're like, no, it needs stuff, but don't you think it has the best flavor? It's hard to open, takes a long time, but when you do it, it's so worth it. I'm sorry if I'm boring in today's video. Yeah, I'm trying to be relaxing as I struggle. I can't think of another meat product that has this type of flavor. I can't. I really can't. Let's do another king crab. Ooh. Okay, let's do it. I take it back. The cheese, it's really good. I just almost like it without it more. So no, I don't take it back. I mean what I mean. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Mean what you say and say what you mean. I think king crab legs are the best meat, have the best flavor on their own, period. Period. I'm so happy it's snowing, by the way. I wanted to see snow for so long. All right, here we go. This kind of got cut, but that's okay. They disappear so quickly. Oh, this one still has the bone in it. Oh, there it is. Not the bone, excuse me. Whatever you call this thing. Let's try a claw. Let's open it up. Here we go. Oops, I didn't mean to get crab on my light. Oh wait, didn't Beloved teach me to go like this? You pull it out from the... Maybe that was Prissy P. Hi Prissy P or Beloved, one of the two. So you pull out the... Maybe that's for the Chesapeake Bay crabs. The blue crabs. Chesapeake Bay, Maryland. Maryland. Look at all that meat. I did a good job. This looks good. Ooh. Look at that. Oops. There's shell in there. Oops. Ooh. Oh my god. Why is that so good? So please let me know if you like my calmer videos. If this is relaxing for you. And shout out to Nikocado Avocado, who never fills up the ads in the middle and the end. He only puts them in the beginning. Shout out to Mama Bear. She was like, Nick, I love to watch videos to help me fall asleep. And if I see there's ads throughout them, they always wake me up because they're really booming and loud. And you don't know when they're going to work. Sometimes they don't even come on, but sometimes they do. If you see the marker, that means the YouTuber added it. You will never see. I lost my... Oh, here it is. You'll never see ads in the middle or the end of my videos, no. I always put them in the beginning. The first 2 minutes, and then I'm done. Yeah, I just know for me, when I watch other YouTube videos and there's ads and all throughout, it kind of gets annoying. Sorry for slurping the ice cube. Maybe that woke you up. Sorry, Mama Bear. Ooh. They disappear, I'm telling you. They just fly away. Let's move this to the side. Let's put my crab legs here. You can see what I'm doing, you know? One of my new favorite foods in the world, crab legs. Ooh. I'm really not talking that much, I'm sorry. I'm very concentrated. But when I first started doing mukbangs, I got so many comments about my voice. Nick's voice is soothing, Nick's voice is relaxing. I could listen to Nick all day. And I had a lot of people tell me, you know, you might remember this. You may have been around, this is so good, for the days when I talked about this. I was going to do a channel where I read bedtime stories. I just read stories front to back, an hour long, 2 hours long, to help kids fall asleep and grown-ups, and speak in my, like, soft movie theater, movie trailer voice. The cheese went into the cheese. Oops. That's not good movie theater voice. So creamy, so sharp, so tender. The meat is juicy. This October, see for yourself. 2 ends meet. I don't know what I'm saying. Give me a movie script to read. I remember The Ring. That was my favorite horror movie. The Ring. The Ring 2 was called Fear Comes Full Circle, in theaters December 21st. I can do a movie theater voice if I try. Do you know why I didn't pursue that channel? It's because of all the copyright laws. They're really intense. And I'm getting cheese on my thing. Anyways, they're really intense. I could get taken to court for reading someone's material. Isn't that crazy? I researched it. People said write your own books. I'm sorry, I'm not... You can't expect someone to write their own books. That takes years. And how many people are going to watch that video? I'm going to make, what, 20 bucks? I don't think so. Not only that, but it takes talent. Like, I don't claim to be talented at coming up with stories. I'm not. Oh, let's get these ligaments off first. You always pull them the opposite way. It says B loves life. And I did it. And now we cut it. The blades are sharp. The anticipation is high. Fresh crabs from the ocean blue. From the coral reefs of the South Caribbean, Nikocado Avocado will meet his match this Christmas. In select theaters, Nikocado will get the crab and show you how to be a fisherman. What am I doing? I butchered my meat. I butchered my meat. It's all knocked up and everywhere. I mean, yeah, where's the other? I guess this was it. Man, there's no meat in the crab. That's the sad part. You know what I would love to go to? An all-you-can-eat crab fest. I feel like I cut my finger. I keep looking at it. It hurts. An all-you-can-eat. Oh, B Love's house. Oh my gosh. Literally, crabs, crabs, crabs. But you know what? When I was there, she's the only one that eats that stuff. You know my friend Bethany? B Loves Life. Shout out to everyone. Go tell her I say hi. Hi, B Loves Life. Fond memories of you. I was just texting her a couple days ago about a, obviously not going to talk about it here, but a sponsorship, and she kind of gave me a pointer, a little tip. That was nice of her. Because, you know, I'm only 26. You know, she's been on this earth a lot longer than me. She has more wisdom and can help me. Well, I didn't even ask her, like, what should I do? I just told her what I was struggling with, and she just came out and was like, Nick, try this. That was nice of her. Excuse me. I'm getting this crab leg. Here we go. Oh gosh, she's probably watching now, so let me do a good job. Ow! Wait, shh. I was doing so well before. I'm doing snow crabs because it's all I have left, because the king crabs, I have to buy more. Ooh. The only problem when you do scissors with the small ones is that you cut up your meat. But if you don't care, it's whatever. Oh god. Crab legs. I'm telling you, they're so good. Alright, I'm just gonna make this into a ball. Look at all that meat. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Into the cheese it goes. Worth every struggle. Cheers to that. I love how the cheese is still warm and this is ice cold. Oh, I love hot and cold together. I have to get another napkin, so excuse me. I'm back home. These are all my leftover napkins that I keep here. Fast food restaurants, they always give me a lot. Well, I also ask for extras. Just because I know I'm messy. Oh good, I saved my favorite for last. Yeah. Make sure you come to the end. That's where I'm gonna feast on the big one. I'll see you at the end. Bye. Wait. Let's make it very movie theater for the... We'll put this in my intro. Movie theater. Movie trailer voice. Here we go. And we have arrived to the end of the video. Oh, shh. Don't make those faces. That's cringy. Shh. We have to be serious. We have made it to the end of the video. And of course, I saved the best for last. This winter, Nikocado Avocado tackles the king crab leg from the depths of the ocean floor in the South Caribbean seas. These giant king crab legs will go into Nikocado's stomach. I'll see you at the end of the video. Maybe. Ooh. Don't break it, Nick. Don't break it. Ouch. Here we are. Ooh. Oh my god. Do you guys like the drip? I don't know. I personally would never eat like that in public or even in private, but it's the theatrics of it all, right? That's so good. I'm so sad it's over. Where'd my crab legs go? Bye-bye $50. Literally, almost $60 for this. That's what I'm saying. I would pay 200 bucks to go to an all-you-can-eat crab legs and not even count, not think about it, eat till I'm full. Eat till I'm stuffed. Wow. I'm having a great time. I'm sad it's almost over. It's gonna be a short video. Don't worry, you know my videos are pretty long usually, so I'm gonna make up for it. I'm gonna film 2 tomorrow, if I have enough room. I mean, this is filling, but not like, oh god, I can't walk filling. That's what I'm saying. It depends what diet I'm on too. If I'm on a diet, oh yeah, this would fill me up. If I'm doing a mukbang diet where I just eat carbs all day, I'm gonna get hungry real fast after this, so. Don't eat that part. These are really good, sharp. I'm happy. Ooh. Just want to get the meat out of here. Oh, yeah. Oh. These things. I saw a lot of people don't eat these. I don't know why. It's definitely more seafood tasting. It's definitely tastes more like the ocean. Maybe it's too like a sardine, you know, very like, you know. All right, there it is. Wow. That doesn't taste fishy. It tastes perfect. I would have never known the difference between the leg and the hump. What do you call this thing? The stub. The head. Man, this room is a wreck. Ouch. People don't know off camera, you know, mukbangs, it's not just like I eat, I stuff myself, I say goodbye. The preparation, the cost, getting everything set up, and then the cleanup. Cleaning up this room. Oh my god. Alright, let's try to get this thing open. I mean, meat in here. I don't know what that green stuff is. I'm not going to eat the green stuff, but I'll eat what's under it. Ooh. Wow, so much meat. Wow. know what this is. I don't want to look at it. I don't know why that part's green. We're not going to eat green meat. But we'll eat what's underneath it. Oh. Wow, look at that. And that's everything. Wow. That was nice. That was great. A great midnight binge. It's actually now 1:03. Thanks for joining me this evening. I love hearing rattle. I love cold water. Well, I guess I'm done. I have no choice. I could go for literally this times 2. I could repeat this whole thing, I think. I could go for 2 more big crab legs and 5 more snow crab legs. Oh, 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 oh. There's 2 more right here. How many people probably were screaming the whole time? Nick, you did not eat all your legs. That's embarrassing. If I eat it now, it's gonna look really foolish. I'm gonna eat it tomorrow. I'm doing a seafood boil tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, I kinda want it now. Okay. Bonus. Bonus round. Oh. How do people get these little things? That's what I'm saying. Such a nuisance. Here's a bigger leg. You know what I think people probably do with these small ones? They probably cut like this. And they open just the, well, I don't know what they do. I'm just guessing. They open the edge. And then they pull it out, right? They never have king crab legs at buffets. They have snow crab legs, okay? I would sit, and they have a time limit probably too, like, okay, all you can eat snow crabs in an hour. Well, it'll take me an hour to open 5 of them. You know what I mean? I can't even. The problem when you use the scissors, look, you just cut the meat in half. And it's hard to get it out. Okay, yeah. Bye-bye. Thanks for relaxing with me. I appreciate your time. Consider subscribing if you'd like. Bye. I'm gonna stick to the king crab legs.